Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs.
Dada.
Hello.
Dada.
You gonna finish your drawing?
Brown. Brown. You got blue.
And Mommy.
Blue. And here's Maggie. Thank you. You thought twice about it, because you can only use one hand at a time to color.
Good, so she's gonna put it in the hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, she holds it really well. Good girl.
And then you have to give this picture to your Aunt Marie. But this is the first picture that you're drawing with your new stuff. Oh, I like this dance.
Put your name on the bottom?
I know.
Here's an orange.
Apple.
That's not
Where's your
apple, it's
red one?
orange.
Where's your red crayon?
Dada.
Here's your crayon.
Say orange.
Apple.
Very good.
All right.
Apple.
Purple.
Bubble.
Purple.
Very good,
Oh.
Maggie.
Say blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Blue. Here's blue.
Apple.
That's blue.
You're going to find your red one. And
And the green. Where's the green?
we're missing some.
Just watch her.
Yeah,
You
I'm
got
not
her.
sure.
I will just get it right out.
I don't know.